Hello and welcome to the section 2 of the course Display Filters and Capture Filters. Now in this section we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We will learn about various display filters and capture filters. So let's start with the video, Capture Traffic. In this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. So first of all we will learn that how you are going to capture the traffic inside Wireshark, and then we will learn about the overall process. So what you can do here, you can open the Ubuntu machine inside your VMware workstation, and we have Wireshark available inside it. So with the help of Wireshark, we are going to capture traffic. So guys, as you can see here that I'm inside Ubuntu. First of all, to capture traffic, you need to open Wireshark. So you can see here that this is the interface. With the help of this interface, we can capture traffic. And these are the filters available, which we are going to use in the next video. So to capture traffic, you need to select this interface. You can double click here and minimize it. Now you can open your browser of Ubuntu and you can open websites inside it that are going to generate packets, and those packets will be captured by Wireshark. And then we will analyze those traffic in the next videos with the help of filters. So for example, I'm opening a sample website, vulnerweb.com, hit enter, which is provided by Acunetics company. Here it is. And I can click here, testphp.vulnerweb.com. You can open any page. For example, if you want to open login page, you can click on sign up. This is the login page we have. If you want to log in, you can type here the username and password, which is test, and then you can click login. You can see here that we are now logged in, and that's how you can log in inside the website. Now let me close this on Wireshark, and here you can see that Wireshark has captured packets. Now how you can stop the capturing process, just click on the red button to stop capturing packets. Click here and you can see here that these are the traffic which we have captured. So those websites have created those packets, and with the help of these packets we can analyze the complete traffic of our network. So you can see here that there are DNS packets, TCP packets are available here, HTTP packets are available here. So various kind of protocols are available here that we need to analyze. So this is the overall process of packet capturing. Now if you want, you can also save this capture file. You can click file, you can click save as, and for example, if you want computer or in Ubuntu desktop, you can type here the name, that web traffic, and click save. Right, so the file is saved. Now you can close it. This is the file which we have saved. Now if you want to send it to someone, you can send it. That person will double click on that file and it will open inside Wireshark. Right, so that's how you can save the network traffic.